Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to register on Atomy Global from its website. Atomy is a Korea-based online shopping mall and is ventured by the government of Korea. So to register yourself on it, you have to open any browser on your PC. In the search bar, search for Atomy Global. The very first site you will see, Welcome to Global Atomy. Click on it and the website will open. Here you can know everything about the company, about the products, the sustainability, business opportunities in the company, and about the team. To register yourself, in the bottom right corner you will see the Atomy Hub. Here is the join button. You have to click on it and please select the your region. For this video we are selecting South Africa. Although the registration process for every other country is same. Now click on go to the website. Select your language in which you want to complete the registration process. I'm selecting English. And if you are sponsored by someone, you have to click on yes, I have a sponsor. And if you are registering on your own, you can do it no, I do not have a sponsor. So for this video, we are going to click on yes, I have a sponsor. And now it will show up with the membership guidelines. If you want to read it, you can. And click on this checkbox. Then click on the next button. And now here are the terms of agreement. Click on I agree and click the next button again. Now this is your personal information form. In the first box you have to enter your name, then your birth date, and now for mobile verification you have to select the region you live in and enter your mobile number. Now click on this confirm button. And now to prove your identity documentation information, just click on this I agree button, and here you have to enter your identity document number. This is different according to every country. Also you have to upload the front side and back side of your identity document. You have to click on the file and you can locate where you have saved your photo and just upload here. Also you can do it afterwards. It's not mandatory to do it right now. So we are clicking on next. Now here is you can check where if you have entered anything wrong or not. Again you have to enter your first name, select your gender and set your password. For your guest password, you can keep it easy, 123456 or as per your choice. And here you have to enter your email address. If you want to receive any Atomy news, you can click here. Here you have to enter your address. if you also want to register your spouse, you can select the yes button, and here is the registration process for your spouse, but we are not doing it, so no, and click on next. And now here you have to fill your information about your sponsor. You have to your sponsor ID, it will be provided by your sponsor. And now you have to search for it. By default, you are registered on the left side. Click on select, and here it will show the name of your sponsored and its center. You have to click on I will choose the same center as the sponsor and click on next. Also make sure if you select, you have to enter your sponsored ID correctly. It cannot be changed afterwards. So make sure you have filled it correctly and then click on next and confirm. Here you are completed with the registrations. Make sure that you save this information, take a screenshot or note it down somewhere safe and keep it with you. So this was the process for the registration. If you also want your friends to register, you can share this video with them. The registration process is quite simple. Just fill your form correctly and note down your account information. Click on sign in now with my member ID. Here you have to enter your member ID and password and you will be signed in. Thank you.